Hey guys, Ms. Clark here. We're on quiz 1.03. Here is your example 1. We are looking at which lines are parallel in the rectangular pentagonal prism. So we're going to just name all of the parallel lines. So let's start with line AB. It is parallel with a line HC. It is also, AB is parallel with line ED. I don't see any more. That's those three lines. We're going to do those. Let's highlight those. So we just got these. Oops. Did not change my color. Sorry about that. There we go. So we got those lines are all parallel to each other. Alright, let's find some other ones. We're going to mark these in pink. Alright, so we have AH is parallel to BC. And HE is parallel to CD. And that's all the ones I see. And those are all the lines that are parallel because they run next to each other and they never intersect.